right, welcome back. I want to start with maybe a little bit of some positive news here. Warmer temperatures are coming. We got to wait some time, though. Look at these numbers going from the single digits. Yes, we're still holding on to the teens for our holiday weekend, but the 20s, call it a bit of a heat wave, and then really a heat wave as we roll into the middle of next week. I can't believe I'm calling the 40s heat wave. In terms of snowfall reports, there's some new information coming in from the National Weather Service during the overnight. Remember when, what was it, maybe about a week ago, guys, that we were talking about 25 inches of snow? No, that was never going to happen. And for folks that were looking at those snowfall totals way too early, that just never was in the cards. But definitely a little bit of an underperforming snow system in terms of amounts. I will also throw out there, very difficult to measure snow when it's windy, but Madison at just under 4 inches. We did pick up more than 1.25 inches in Milwaukee, but Dodgeville, at least the total coming in from the Weather Service overnight there in Iowa County, that's west of Madison, picking up close to 5 inches of snow. There's our big weather system, the big dip in the pattern in the upper levels, -7 right now in Milwaukee with that wind chill at -32, and that cold air has plunged all the way into Texas, even near the Gulf Coast, where temperatures there are falling back into the 20s, 11 right now in Dallas, Texas. The wind chills are expected to remain where they are through the rest of this morning, maybe improving slightly as we roll into the afternoon, but we're still talking double-digit below zero wind chills here, even during Christmas Eve. Teens below zero during the afternoon. Now later on today there will be an opportunity, there it is, for a few additional snow showers. These will be fairly light for most of us. I would say the heaviest snow maybe targeting the Fox Valley and Fond du Lac and Sheboygan counties. This could lead to an additional maybe 1/4 inch dusting in terms of accumulation, but really not looking for a whole lot of snow here in the next couple of days. The 7-day forecast just featuring another opportunity for some snow showers there early Monday as a clipper system passes by, but the warm-up expected by Wednesday and Thursday.